We're about to make a Walmart run and do a bunch of other stuff today. There's CJ and my sister. Hey y'all. Trying to get all these stuff. It smells good in here. Gotta go to Walmart. Gotta go pick up some food. Gotta go to my other sister's house. And then I don't know what else. Why are you looking like that? Huh? What's wrong?
You on camera?
Huh?
Oh. Ooh, oh. Make sure you edit that shot out.
Oh, it's a video. I have a YouTube channel.
The Hope Center in Russellville, Arkansas. My brother Chris, we're a 12-month discipleship program for men and women stuck in the cycle of addiction. So we make disciples out of folks. We've been in the program 10 months. We have 2 months left to go, and we're going to be fishers of men. For what folks do, it's I'm passionate about this program. I came in and had a heart attack in January. I'm 56, and I didn't want to die of my addiction. So I had a pastor friend named Billy Abbey that said, Jeff, go to the Hope Center and draw closer to God. And that's what we've done.
That's great, great.
So we're trying to make a difference to reach the one. It's an outreach.
And we help people struggling with drug addiction, but it could be anything. Sexual abuse, could be homeless. We do this with the power of Christ. And like I said, like he was saying, I've been in the program 10 months. I graduated in January, and this program has completely changed my life, completely. Got baptized, got saved about 5 months into the program, and man, God is good.
What is your
YouTube?
YouTube?
Miss Latoya BD.
The what?
Latoya BD.
Oh, Latoya. Okay,
Yeah.
I'll watch you.
Okay, thank you. Oh, we're in Walmart right now, getting some more food. Yeah. Getting some more food. We kind of have a lot of stuff already, but luckily it's not that many people in here. It's not too busy.
You gonna go ahead and get your fruit now? Yeah, that needs to be the last thing you get. Yeah. But I need to go ahead and get this one. Oh yeah, you can get a couple of them. Yeah.
CJ, look. Say hey. About to get some of these Smithfield boneless pork chops. They taste very good, if I can find them. Here they are right here. It's by Smithfield. They're the boneless pork chops.
You sitting in there because he fixing to get in here. You know, I got to get some tissue.
Oh, I need to get some wine too. This is all the tissue right here, y'all. They don't even have that much. $13? Look at this whole aisle is out of tissue. How is Scott tissue?
You ever use Scott?
Nope. Have you?
I'm scared.
Feel it and see.
It feels like school tissue. Feel me.
Yep.
I don't like that. Toya is being a Walmart worker right now.
To get the box from the top shelf.
We found the box, y'all. They being Walmart workers right now. We need tissue. Oh, y'all, I wonder what they let me get too.
Why wouldn't they? They have a limit on where you get one. Oh, look. One.
Okay, I just get
Unless
one.
you want us to pay for a separate.
I won't be greedy. I just like to have tissue. What, CC? Oh, never mind. I won't focus. Okay.
Oh, it's a small. All you gotta do is press the thing. Press the screen.
Whoa.
Hey, CC.
What you gonna eat?
That's what we eating
right.
too. Oh! Say it again. Hachi?
What you want? Hachi?
Masking up. Let me go now. That's what I...
Oh, no.
CJ.
Oh.
I'm looking for the Stella Rosa green apple and the Moscato. You see it, Erica?
What's that?
Any Stella Rosa?
They're probably out. It's close to the house. They don't have it.
Yep, here we go. No, Stella Rosa red apple is out.
They may have it in the freezer.
Peach, tropical mango.
It's the holidays. I figure everybody's gonna get it. The other liquor store probably has it. I can't wear these masks. I already can't wear this. This is owned by Black Girl.
Black Girl Roslyn. Got my sunflower seeds too. I usually like the David's Ranch brand, but this is the only brand I saw so far. Now we have to see if we can find some wings in here. Ranch. I usually use the David's brand, but they don't really be having a ranch though. I have to get some rolls. I have the Hawaiian sweet rolls. Now I have to get the butter ones.
You weren't doing nothing?
No, he was just playing. Okay, we left Walmart and we're in Brookshires now. You need a basket. We're looking for some wine and 12-pack sodas that they have on sale. And here,
some of these when we went to Natural.
this watermelon.
They were good.
They have the drinks on sale. 3 for $10. So I'm gonna get a Dr. Pepper, a Sprite, and again, I'm gonna get a Coke.
No, I'm good.
Y'all have a blessed day.
You too.
Thank you. So we have left Brookshire. So hopefully this is our last store that we stop at. And then we're gonna go get some food.
Hey, YouTube. Good. That's gonna be. Hey, Felder. You know, Boo Boo not with me. Where Boo Boo with Mama?
Yes. Hey, B. How you knew this was me? But you knew because the tags in the car.
Mississippi. I said, wait a minute. That might come over there. Oh, Errol.
What happened to your lashes?
No, she gonna be gone.
That came off.
No, her mama gonna be. That's who do.
Oh!
That's who
Oh,
do. That's
okay.
who do her lashes. Bye, yo.
This is probably the last stop. Hopefully, we're gonna get our food. Yep, very hungry.
Mama got it like
Okay, y'all, we made it home now. So I got
I like to toe my hand. Mama,
hibachi shrimp
how you get it? You got a butter knife.
with vegetables and rice.
How you find it though? You raise the thing up. I told they look where the little carpet is.
Here, let me put it on you. Hmm? Tired and I'm about to go to bed.
Yeah.
Huh? What you see now? You trying to get? Comb your hair. Comb your hair.
Let me see. Let me see.
It's a video.
Sorry.
Yes. Why are you on the floor?
See, I just got it.
Give him something to play with.
I'll be back.
You gotta come over here with me. Come over here so I can get in the picture. Now look.
Now let me.
It's the video.
Oh yeah.
What you gonna say to the people?
Hey.
Come on,
Can I hold it? Ooh, it's like kind of pretty.
Yeah. We just made it to my sister's house. We getting ready to start the sea moss and packing the boxes. So she's right there.
These them right there, baby.
See?
She got. We can take them right there in every room. She already got some stacked up.
Where y'all go?
You know, nobody but me. Oh,
Here are our other helpers. Bree
hey, baby.
and Simone, my other sister.
Hey, y'all, I'm trying to eat the merch store. See those boxes right there? We're gonna take that back there too. Then let's take that right there.
She has one gold,
Okay.
one pineapple. Let's see, it's the elderberry sea moss.
It's 12:35.
And then both of these are pineapple.
She only seen the pineapple in her.
Thank you.
And I don't know we have crab.
What are you eating?
Gummy bears?
That's my niece Cece.
Hey. Hey.
You know she thinks she on YouTube.
Yep. Want to do a YouTube
What is
video?
it, Patty?
What are you gonna
Toya,
say?
you ought to let her do a video, like pick something she wants to do,
Yeah.
and like sit her at the table, like, and I don't know, like you should have bought your little plate, your little things over here.
All them little bitty shops.
What color you like?
Black.
Black. What's your favorite food?
You probably seafood, Mexican food.
Okay. Mexican food?
Yeah, let me see it.
And what's your favorite toy?
I don't play with toys.
Oh.
I want to show y'all these outfits I got. So the first one, this dress came from my cousin Sequoia's boutique, and it's called That's So You Boutique. So this dress has like a little slit right here, and then it has a slit right here. It also has a little bit of elastic, and then it has this little tie around. This dress is perfect to wear in the summer or the winter. In the winter, you can wear some tights and boots with it. In the summer, some sandals, some heels. Next outfit I have is the Toya Jogger Set, and this is from Eve Elise Fashion Company, and this is so cute. This is how the back looks. So if you got some booty, you can drop it like it's hot, shake your booty in this jogger set. The material is really good. I don't know yet what kind of shoes I'm gonna wear with it though. Guess what, y'all? Just got the email from Bath and Body Works. They're having their candle day tomorrow, and the candles are $9.95. The limit is 18. I believe it's 6 a.m. Eastern time and 5 a.m. Central time. I'm going to be online right at 5 o'clock. I have my alarm set, and I have my credit card right next to me so I can get my candles. Alright, so I got up at 5 o'clock this morning, and I was able to get the candles. I didn't get everything I wanted because they were out of some, but they had the majority of them still available that I liked. Got champagne toast, island margarita, crushed candy cane, eucalyptus spearmint, midnight's blue citrus, cactus blossom, eucalyptus mint, peach bellini, marshmallow fireside, crushed candy cane, bergamot waters. Got another cactus blossom, just a different design on the candle jar, and I got winter.